Hello and welcome to a new lesson, what is meant by unique properties of human language. This is one of the series of lectures under the topic properties of language. Lecture 36. Let's discuss about this idea and concept. God has created countless number of creatures in the world, but are all creatures able to communicate? Yes, they do communicate. But do other creatures communicate in the same way as humans do? Of course not. We have some more ideas in this direction. The reason is that the physical aspects of human teeth, larynx, and other organs of human speech are not shared by other creatures to use language to think and talk about themselves. We continue our discussion. Other creatures are limited in the expressions of feelings and emotions. They are not able to reflect on the way they create their communicative messages. They also do not know how to review their communication. We continue our discussion. The process of communication by other creatures follows a set pattern. Most animals can communicate about things in the immediate environment only. A bird utters its danger cry only when danger is present. That is why it is termed as fixed reference. We continue to the next idea. It is at this point of discourse we need to discuss what makes humans unique from other creatures. It is at this point of debate we need to talk about the unique properties of human language that makes us so distinctive and special from other living beings. George Yule, a famous linguist, describes 6 of those features or properties of language that makes humans a remarkable species on the earth. They are as follow. And the first one is displacement. The second one is arbitrariness. Third one is productivity. Fourth one is cultural transmission. Fifth one is discreteness. And the last one, that is sixth one, is duality. In my next lectures, I will talk about each one of them separately in detail. Hope you understand the concept. Thank you and goodbye.